Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to block someone on Snapchat. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Snapchat account. Go to your chat box and find a person you want to block. For example, I want to block Koala, so I need to go to the three dots here, click Manage Friendship, and then click Block. Tap Block. Now, if you go back to the chat box, you can see the name of Koala here. But let's just say if you want to make sure that the person is blocked or you want to unblock him, all you have to do is to go to the settings, scroll to the very bottom, and look for the word block that is under account actions. So click this one. Now, as you can see, Koala is here. Now, if you wanted to unblock the person, just tap the name and then click yes and no block Snapchatters. So when you go back to your chat box, you can see Koala's name again. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video.